Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Insightly pipeline stages and dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Insightly pipeline stages and dashboards, log into your Insightly account. Navigate to the pipeline section in the main menu. Select the specific pipeline you wish to modify. Once the pipeline is open, locate the stages you want to uninstall. Click on the stage you intend to remove. A menu will appear, providing various options. Select Delete from this menu. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure you want to proceed. Repeat this process for any other stages you wish to uninstall. Next, move on to the Dashboard section in the main menu. Identify the dashboard you want to uninstall. Click on the dashboard to open its settings. Locate the Delete option within the dashboard settings. Click Delete to remove the dashboard. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This process can be repeated for any additional dashboards you want to uninstall. Once you have finished uninstalling all unwanted stages and dashboards, review the changes to ensure everything looks correct. Your Insightly environment is now updated to reflect only the relevant pipeline stages and dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.